Hello people, so this is my 18th video of the day, and I think this is a good location. I should keep shooting many of my videos here because uh, that's what people, another 10 videos and I'll be done. I mean, I would have finished my quota of the day. And people, this entire YouTube journey is more a journey of your own. That's what it's literally like, keeping a diary that is live. So I mean, I would highly recommend it for everyone. Yeah, it's a kind of a therapy session of one's own. I mean, people watching it might need therapy after watching your consecutive YouTube videos, but that's another thing altogether. But seriously, it's if it's a short video and you get to record and speak, and it can totally like just since I began this YouTube journey, now I've become conscious of the way I look, what I eat, and when I have to present myself, and every day it's like I learn something new. So people, if you all want to learn something new, just staying home, just get started on this YouTube journey. It's amazing. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.